Hello cuties, I hope you all are fine and doing well at your homes. Welcome to Learn Forward from Hi Kids with the Cap. Today we will study Chapter 1. Today we will study Chapter 1. Color of Fruits. Color of Fruits from Art and Activity Skill Book. Now, first of all, tell me, you all eat fruits? Yes or no? Yes, very good. Fruits are healthy. Fruits are healthy for our body. They gives us energy. They gives us energy. We should eat fruits. We should eat fruits. Now, take out your purple color book. Take out your purple color book. Now, have a look to the worksheet. Color of fruits. Color the fruits as mentioned in poem. As mentioned in poem. First, strawberries are red. Strawberries are red. First of all, take out your red color. Take out your red color. Strawberries are red. Start doing with me. And fill the gaps. Don't leave the gap. Complete it fast. Next one is of peaches. Peaches are orange. Strawberries are red. Peaches are orange. Take out your orange color and this. Start coloring. Do it neatly and fill the gaps. Complete it fast. Next one is of bananas. Strawberries are red, peaches are orange, bananas are yellow. Find out where is bananas. This. Start coloring with me. Yellow color. Which color is this? Yellow color. And fill the gaps. Complete it fast. Now, next one is of pears. Pears are green. Take out your green color and start coloring with me. And fill the gaps. Complete it fast. Strawberries are red, peaches are orange, bananas are yellow and pears are green. Blueberries are blue, grapes are purple, fruits are very good for you. Can you pick your favorite two? Find out your favorite two. My favorite two is strawberry and banana. Find out your favorite two. Next one is of grapes. Grapes are purple. Grapes are purple. Start coloring and do it neatly and fill the gaps. Don't leave the gaps. Fill the gaps. Do it neatly. Now, next turn is of blueberries. Blueberries are blue. Take out your blue color. And do one thing. Take green color and fill this. Fill the gaps. Complete it fast. I hope you enjoyed a lot. Happy learning. See you soon in the next class.